What's the meaning of chickenpox? Chickenpox. Chickenpox.
Chickenpox. Chickenpox. Chickenpox is a highly contagious viral infection caused by the varicella zoster virus. It is characterized by an itchy rash of blisters that appear all over the body. The rash usually starts on the face, chest, and back before spreading to other areas. Other symptoms include fever, tiredness, and headache. Most people recover within 1 to 2 weeks without any serious complications, but in rare cases, it can lead to more severe outcomes such as bacterial infections or pneumonia, especially in adults and people with weakened immune systems. Vaccination is available to prevent the disease.